Hey everyone, Michael here. Sorry, no stream tonight. It turns out Xfinity is doing work on my internet apparently, and so all I have is normal 5G network, which doesn't really do anything for my computer, so I have no computer internet or, Wi-Fi right now. So I thought I would take a few seconds to kind of give you guys some of my thoughts about what's going on with the market today. That way you guys can make some trades off of the information if you guys want to. I don't have any chart data, of course, because it's all behind me and my computer. But there are a few things I want you guys to remember from what we talked about yesterday. Yesterday, we talked about how Bitcoin had a minor breakdown within the overall range of what we'd been talking about from Bitcoin's price action over the past 2 weeks now as we're trying to break out. You guys will have noticed that today we didn't see the NASDAQ or the SPY or the Dow Jones. Neither of them, nothing really broke out today, but they're all really, really close. So Bitcoin's still staying in that zone as well. For now, I'm not really going too heavy on the shorts. I told you guys yesterday that I opened up a short. That short has been doing wonderful. I've closed the majority of it, and right now I'm just sticking with a little bit of day trading here, or I will be going back to day trading once my computer starts working up again. But my thoughts are we're getting closer to the bottom of the overall trend right now. If you guys want to, you could start thinking about doing some very small, tiny, long orders at this point. I'm going to see if I maybe do one or two and see how they do. But I want you guys to be prepared for somewhat of a larger Bitcoin dump if we start having some bad news coming from the SEC saying, hey, we see all of you guys want to have spot Bitcoin ETFs, but we're going to say deny, 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 deny. And even if it goes into a court battle, the process of them saying deny, deny, deny will dump Bitcoin probably by another 1,200, 1,300 points. Not all at once. It'll probably happen over time here, but that's something I want you guys to be concerned about. But overall, guys, Bitcoin is still in a nice spot. I've been watching a couple altcoins out there, and altcoins have been taking a little bit of a dump. Bitcoin Cash is still a very strong short for me. I'm still holding that position there, and it's currently up. I think the last time I talked to you guys about it, it was up. I put a post up this morning. It's up around 169%, so it's doing well for a short. And you guys know it was down 100% plus a few days ago before we actually had the big move down here. But things are going well. The overall market is seeing a little bit of a drop down. I want you guys to really, as normal, keep an eye out for what's happening on the 4-hour charts and those daily charts. The moving averages are getting too close for comfort, and that's where you guys can have a pretty sizable move down over a period of 3 to 4 days. I have to believe I'm going to get my Wi-Fi back sometime late tonight or sometime tomorrow morning, and so I'll be able to talk with you guys without having to upload videos through my iPhone. I even have literally a frame here, or whatever you call it, to hook onto my window so I can look at myself here and talk with you guys. One last thing here that I think is going to be interesting. One fun thing here, it turned out there was cocaine or something found at the White House. Look into that story. It sounds hilarious. On a more serious note here, we are having some more data come up over the next few days. So we're going to have inflation data, interest rate hike data, stuff coming out pretty soon, and then jobs data. Those are all going to be huge catalysts for which way the markets go. And I do think for some of you guys that are looking for SPY calls, it's pretty close for people that want to buy up some SPY calls that expire maybe next week or the week after that. You buy them 10, 20 bucks out of the money, you're going to be looking pretty good here pretty soon, as long as we can actually have that good data. On the other side here, if you guys are waiting for that breakdown, that probably won't happen next week if we continue on this route, then you guys could be looking for some puts on the SPY as well. Right now, we're too far away from that breakdown opportunity, though. I'm more optimistic about us going along here, but again, we'll have to wait and see how that data sets up. So, hope you guys all have a good rest of your night. Sorry, no stream tonight, but I will be doing a stream for you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Yeah, so blah to Comcast and Xfinity. They really do suck. Thanks, everybody.